Hey, you're going the wrong way. Fine. Go ahead and leave. I'll do this myself.
Rub the sticks together, then build a tinder fort. Wait, or was it...
When you figure it out, write it down so you won't forget the order.